Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I am going to show you how you can create perfectly straight edges when working in rows of double crochet. I am sure when you are making a blanket or a dishcloth or whatever, you would like to have pretty and straight edges in your project. So just to show you, I have here a swatch where I have made my rows the conventional way, where I have chained 3 for every new row, and then the chain 3 counts as the first double crochet of the row. But of course, nobody really likes these ugly gaps here in the edges, so let's just do it the other way. So I've already worked up a few rows of double crochet here, and at this point I'm going to turn my work. And here at the beginning of the row, I would normally just chain 3, and then the chain 3 would count as the first double crochet of the row. But this time I'm just going to make a single crochet into the very first stitch. So without chaining anything, I'm just going to go into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And next I'm going to make another single crochet on top of the first one here. So as you can see, this single crochet stitch has 2 little legs, one in the back and one here in the front. So I'm going to insert my hook into this front leg here of the stitch. Then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. So I have 2 single crochet on top of each other, and they will count as the first double crochet of the row. So next I'm just going to make a double crochet into every stitch across. And here at the end of the row, I will just make my last double crochet into this last single crochet of the previous row. And then again, I will turn my work, make a single crochet into the first stitch, then make another single crochet on top of this single crochet. And I will insert my hook into this front leg here of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then just continue to double crochet across the row. And I will just repeat this process for every single row.